Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will show you some examples of phishing and how to recognize them. Microsoft 365 already comes with a bunch of security layers, but it's normal that often some emails get through nevertheless. So I will show you four tips with examples we received during some time, and we prepared them in a special email. All right, so the first one is that often there's involved a certain sense of urgency. They ask to act or do something immediately. So in this first example, I'll show you right away. You will see that you need to do something as soon as possible. Also, often it's too good to be true. So in this case, it's a very good example of a passive income per month, etc., etc. Secondly, they often act like a well-known company, and it's very often not so easy to distinguish from the fake from the real company. So always take a closer look in those cases. For example, this one, you will see that they act like they're sending an email from Microsoft. But in fact, first of all, it's not Microsoft Office 365 any longer, it is Microsoft 365. And secondly, they sent it from an email address which isn't Microsoft's. So also the domain name is not the one you should expect in this case. So always take a second look at the email address and the domain name they are using. Third of all, they often look a bit sloppy and make use of bad grammar, and they often also have strange layouts. So in this case, we have another example of an email where the layout was broken, and also you should know the language here in Dutch isn't quite right. Um, that's always a sign of a possible phishing email. Um, and last but not least, always check your attachments and links. If you are receiving an attachment that you weren't expecting, it's already something to be extra cautious. And in this case, we weren't expecting a payment of 7,890 euros, and definitely not through an HTML page. Um, I'll show you another example of a bad link. In this case, it seems like we've received an email from Microsoft saying something we should take access. But in this case, if you hover the link and you wait a bit, it will show you the real location you are being forwarded to. And as you can see, once again, this is not a Microsoft link. If you received an email which is a phishing email, you should always send it to suspicious at safeonweb.be, and you can always say in your mailbox via security options, it is phishing, or you can always simply delete the email. So these were some of the most commonly known tips to recognize these kinds of emails. I hope this was useful for you. And should you have any questions, you can always ask our help desk for further assistance. Thank you. See you next time.